This is our game of Operation. As you can see, here is the subject, the minion. Here's where you see outputs if you win, lose, drop the thing, something like that. We also have lights. One of the lights signifies if the game has started yet. If the light's on, there's a circuit connected in there with the little tab. And that means you haven't started the game yet. So the tab is the thing that you're trying to get out in the game of Operation. All those other wires and stuff are obstacles. This is what you use to get the tab out. So if you start to get the tab out without touching any of the wires, then, see, I just lost. That's what happens if you lose. So if you move the tab a little bit, so now it's not connecting the circuit. If you move the tab a little so it's not connecting the circuit, you see that light turned off, so the game started. And if you manage to get the tab out,
you gotta reconnect it.
Oh yeah, I have to reconnect it and then actually
the game over.
Win the game. Beast. This is where you put it to win it. So as you can see, we've won, and now the winning light is on. And that is the essence of our game.
Show Byron like the circuit.
Okay, so the circuit is, we have basically 3 different inputs. What happens is the yellow wire is the starting input. So if the tab is in there and it touches the metal tape on both sides, then there's wires connecting it to the yellow alligator clips. So that connects the circuit, and therefore this orange wire going to one of the inputs here senses that the circuit is connected, senses the voltage there, and that light is on. We connected that through code so that another of these is set to output, and it would send a voltage and turn the light on, basically. So that's the have you started the game one. It's similar for the others. There's the have you won the game. The green wires are connected to this thing. So you can see there's 2 wires in there. When you drop the pin in, it will definitely touch both of the wires, thereby connecting that circuit and turning this light on. The middle one is a little bit different in that it uses your little sensor thing to connect the circuit. So it's right now it's just a kind of a open circuit where it's connected, where one side is connects I think it's the negative. Yeah. It connects all of this stuff is connected to negative, the ground, and also the sensor wire is also connected to that side of the loop. This is just connected to the positive voltage. So when you touch any of the obstacles, it connects. It completes the circuit. And so the sensor, instead of just being connected to ground, is connected to a circuit where the voltage is, where there is a voltage between the positive and negative. Thereby, by code, we connect that to the middle light. So as you can see, if we touch it, then the middle light turns on. Yeah. Right now, all the graphics on the computer are not happening because Jeremy wrote the code to make it basically work that way, where the game stops if you win or lose or stuff like that. Anything else?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that is our operation game.